身边不缺一个我，我和你是非不相逢。太多话要说，爱上你是错，我们都是孤独的，因为寂寞来放火。太多话要说，爱上你是错，别再问我为什么，因为寂寞放了火。
How to write PLC to control switch open or shut. This is a 5-axis cantilever water jet and cleaning machines. This machine can doing like a water jet cutting and can control the switch on the controller panel to manage holding the water jet tools for cleaning some products, especially to define as running the cleaning procedures. Push a button to launch the water, eject on the product, and pressing another switch can let the water turning around as ejecting out. So by using all the switches, a variety switches on the controller panels, we can manage doing cleaning procedures. So writing the program to control these machines, we have to add a variety programs as per every 1.5 seconds. The program will read the input 256 points from the PLC and the 256 output points status from the PLC, and then running a PLC response to see what kind of switches pressed on the control panels and to do what kind of functions every 1.5 seconds. So before we running the artificial intelligence styles, we have to write down the response. In this kind of situations, the response, the program just like this. If the switch input 4 is on, is pressed, then we have to open the output switch 9 to let the water cleaning lens opened. And if we try to open the output 11 to open the cleaning valve, then we have to see the condition. If the output switch 9 is opened and the output switch 8 is open, is closed, only on these two conditions, then we can open the cleaning valve. And in here, if we want to open the output 3 to let the rotating switch on, Then we have to see the conditions. The input 4 is on, and the input 5 switch is on, and another output switch 10 is off. In these three conditions, then we open the rotating switch 3 on, and also we open the switch up 10 on. The switch up 10 on is to set the rotating function is capability. And see here, if we want to open the output switch 8 to do cleaning, then we have to see the input condition 4 is on, the input condition 6 is on, the output condition 8 is off. In these three conditions satisfied, then we open the output switch 8. So let's see, as we writing the artificial script into the program, we let the actions open is K20, the PLC shut is K21 in digital, and let the entity, the conditions, is digital as well, written like a script. Let's see the actual written. The first one, K20, if we want to open the output 8, output 9, open the output 9 on one input conditions, the V column 1 input conditions, W column 0, no output conditions. What is the one input conditions? The input 4 equal to 1. The input 4 equal to 1. In this condition, we open the Y9. Okay, let's see the next one. If we want to open the cleaning valve 11 opened on condition, the two output conditions. Okay, no input condition, two output conditions. The first one output condition is output 9 equal to 1, output 9 equal to 1, and output 8 equal to 0, output 8 equal to 0. Then we open the output 11. Next one, open the output 3, K20, open the output 3 on two input condition, one output condition, two input condition, one output conditions. The input condition is input 4 equal to 1, input 5 equal to 1, input 4 input 1, input 5 1, and one output condition is output 10 0, output 10 0. In these three conditions, then we open the output 3. Not only in the output 3, we also open the output 10. So the condition all the same, the 3 all the same. Then we K20 open the output 10 as well. Next one, if we want to open the output 8, K20 open the output 8 switch, then we have to see the condition. Two input condition, one output condition, two input condition, one output condition. The input condition is input 4 1, input 6 1, input 4 1, input 6 1, and the output condition is output 8 0, output 8 0. In these three conditions, we open the output switch 8, the cleaning length opened. The next one, if we want to shut the output 11, K20 shut the output 11 switch. Two conditions of output. Two conditions of output. There's no input condition. What's the output conditions? 9 equal to 1. A switch of output equal to 1. 9 equal to 1. 8 equal to 1. In this condition, then we shut the output switch 11. Then in condition input 4 equal to 0, we shut this 4 output switch. So we shut the output 10 first. K20 shut output 10. And one input condition is input 4 equal to 1 to 0. We not only shut the output 10, also shut the output 11. Shut output 11 on the same input condition, input 4 equal to 0. And shut the output 9. Shut output 9 in the same condition. The last one is shut the output 8 in the same condition. Shut the output 8 in the same condition. In here, if we try to shut the output 3, shut output 3 on condition of input 5 equal to 0, output 10 equal to 1. On one input condition, one output condition, the input condition is 5 equal to 0. The output condition is output 10 equal to 1. Then we shut the output 3. The same condition, we shut the output 10 as well. Shut output 10 as well. The condition are the same. The last one, if we try to shut the output switch 8, shut K21 output switch 8, we have to see the input two conditions, the output one conditions, two condition of input, one condition of output. What's the input conditions? The input 4 equal to 1, input 6 equal to 0, 4 equal to 1, 6 equal to 0. The output condition is output 8 equal to 1, output 8 equal to 1. We just feeding the input condition number and output condition number all in digital, and on sequence the input 1, so this is input 4 equal to 1. Suppose here's input 2, so this is input 4 equal to 1, input 5 equal to 1. After input, then output 10 equal to 0 on this sequence. So fortunately for these 5 axis cantilever water jet cleaning machines, the conditions not more than 3, so we just use the CC file CSV table to change from UV area until the end, the totally to use 8 columns. The V and the W using as to define the number of input condition and the number of output conditions. And from here, HF until T4, 6 columns, 6 columns divided by 2, so we can allot 3 conditions. The combination of input and output totally 3 conditions. Just writing in sequence, feeding the tables as CSV table. So it's really easy to feeding the tables according to the programs. And this program will be fetched in the CMS CAPP program as the beginning of the program, as running initial, and the last of the initial you can see the program open a fixed file. The file name is plc.csv. Written like this means this is the only one CSV existing in the same file folder of the execution file CMS CAPP, and we using the same load tcsv, the script API, loading the script. The style is CSV style, loading the file name plc.csv, load tcsv, then we can get the number teaches. If number teaches equal to 0, then we return there's no data at all. If not 0, then number plc equal to number teach. Then we shift all the data from the teaching buffer and moving all the data into PLC record. The K, X, Y, Z, UVW, HF, T1 until T5, all the records moving into PLC, and then shut number teach equal to 0. After using the API of loading the teaching data, then we shut the teaching buffer and teaching variable, and everything moving into the PLC record data buffer. Then for every 1.5 seconds we run these PLC records and doing the script once to decide which one switches has to be opened and which one switches has to be closed according to the switch pressed by the user on the control panel. So the program is very easy. It is a combination of three combination of input and output. The C, the V, if the input number is 0, the output color number 0, doing nothing, just return. If one input, 0 output, then we just doing once. So combination is quite simple. The first, the output condition O0, we check O0, we check the input condition 0, input condition 1 input condition, or 2 input condition, or 3 input conditions. Only these 4 combination as the output condition is 0. Then we change the output condition to 1. The only existing condition is the input condition if 0, output condition 1, input condition 1, output condition 1, and the input condition 2, output condition 1, because the totally combination is 3, 2 adding 1 makes 3. So then we change. If the output condition was 2, then the combination could be the input condition 0, output condition 2, the input condition 1, output condition 2, no input condition 2, output condition 2, because 2 plus 2 makes 4. 4 is bigger than 3. And the last, the output condition 3. Now only one situation is in case the input condition 0, non-input condition. So you can see only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 capability. Okay, let's see the program. If only one input conditions, then DRM's input to see the edge columns. What is this one input conditions? The input how much? So the edge columns will write down in here. And to see the 5 columns, the F is 0 over 1. If these conditions meet, then we open what? Open Y columns. Y. So the program supports in here this one. Only one input conditions. One input conditions. The H column 4. H column DRM 4 equal to Y F is 1 equal to 1. Then we PLC open the Y positions 9s. So in here is DO open 9. Okay, the program is very easy to write on this 10 different variations combination to meet the conditions. Then we open the switch to do the open switch actions. The same, the close, the shut the switch. The condition all the same, only the routine we code the shut. So these two actions, open and close, the program written is very easy. So in these kind of situations, to write the artificial intelligence programs into the digital styles of actions and entities to replace the rest artificial intelligence programs written styles in these new inventions is quite easy to understand and quite easy to be written. So this is new publications in today's topics. I hope the user can enjoy it. This kind program, this kind of functions to write their own controlled of the PLC switches open or shut, while we don't need to re-edit or recompile the source file with single execution file by means of changing the PLC.csv file by Excel style. We can easily to manage all the switch on the control panel to open or shut whatever to control the machines. So this is the function what we want to use the script does. Okay, the end of this topic.
我像一阵风，吹落叶飘过。